show you if that is 50. Yeah, you see my assumption is correct. That is almost 50%, and then it went down. My trade was about here, okay, about here, and then I made about 482 pips. 482 pips, but I still wanna this time hit my take profit here. It will be about $70. Okay, so about 700 pips I expected from this GBP OD. Maybe it will take a little bit time to go there, maybe this week. See if that is tomorrow maybe around here the market will drop down about here, 162 pips. Maybe I get out it by tomorrow. And how about GBP Japanese yen? Wow, this is amazingly dropping. Okay, I don't know you guys had this opportunity to trade there or not, and this is amazing trade. I like it very much. You see the market is just executed my trade, and then it's straightway আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। আমি আলী নূর বলছি আলী forex.com থেকে। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার এই ভিডিওটা করতে অনেক দেরি হয়ে গেছে, কারণ আমি গত 2-1 দিন যাবত খুব ব্যস্ত ছিলাম। তো চলুন, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমার এই মাসে ফেব্রুয়ারিতে আমি কোনো মান্থলি আপডেট দেইনি, এমনকি উইকলি আপডেটও আমার দেওয়া হয়নি ব্যস্ততার কারণে। তো চলুন আজকে দেখা যাক যে এই ভিডিওতে কী রয়েছে। আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওভারঅল my trading analysis, overall trading analysis, and how much possibility to collect the pips for this month or this week. I'll explain on that. And I just have taken profit today, 2 numbers, so we'll see what happened on these trades. Okay, so let's get started from this trade here, GBP Swiss franc. Okay, so just taken profit about 196 pips. So 196, that means 200 pips, okay, from GBP Swiss franc H4 chart. So this actually can say, yeah, this is an profitable and amazing trade also, because you see the market actually was uptrending, and then it went down. I thought it might not be able to penetrate this level here, okay, but the market actually had penetrated, and it went up by another 65 pips and then collapsed by 200 pips. So overall the market, this was my first target for 1 numbers of the trade, and then I opened another trade here, and that was my second target. I just have placed my second target here. So it will take time to go to my second target. That will, if that is hit, then that will be about 560 pips. Okay, so I believe that this month and by this week or this month, I will able to collect about 500 pips from this trade. Okay, so this was about GBP and Swiss franc has taken profit, one number of my trade. And then let's go ahead and see what happened to this Swiss euro GBP, right? So euro GBP, let's go ahead and see there. Yeah, okay, that is here. So actually, if you ask me, this isn't a very good entry, but I took the profit because the price level was good enough to take the profit, and that was about 116 pips for this trade. Sorry, I think I made about $18. That means 18 and 1850, that means about 1990 pips. So 190 pips, and then this one got 270 pips. 270 plus 190, almost 460 pips from 2 trade. Okay, it took time to go up because last week I hadn't any weekly analysis updated video, because last week the market was very floppy. You see the market went up and went down so floppy, and had not much trend into the market, that didn't reach to my target level. That's why I wasn't unable to make the video for use. And what happened, what is the analysis for this trade? Actually, I am not that much happy on this trade, because it should have been analyzed properly. Around it should have trade at this level here, okay, or here, something like this, but it was about it went down about 83 pips. However, I was able to take the profit. Still okay, about 180 pips. Okay, 180 pips for how many days? Let's see, count it here. 71 number of the candle, so 71 into 4 hours, 284 hours divided by 24, 11 days. That means this trade I was holding for 11 days, and then I was able to collect by 200 pips. So this is what happened here. And then let's go ahead and see what happened to my other trades. This is GBP OD. What happened here is this was very strong trend down, and then it retraced by about 50%, and then it went down, and then after that it retraced by another 50%. Okay, I just say 50%, I am not sure. I need to show you if that is 50. Yeah, you see my assumption is correct. That is almost 50%, and then it went down. My trade was about here, okay, about here, and then I made about 482 pips. 482 pips, but I still wanna this time hit my take profit here. It will be about $70. Okay, so about 700 pips I expected from this GBP OD. Maybe it will take a little bit time to go there, maybe this week. See if that is tomorrow maybe around here the market will drop down about here, 162 pips. Maybe I get out it by tomorrow. And how about GBP Japanese yen? Wow, this is amazingly dropping. Okay, I don't know you guys had this opportunity to trade there or not, and this is amazing trade. I like it very much. You see the market is just executed my trade, and then it's straightway drop. It went up about 76 pips. I think I was about somewhere else, this area here, and it has given me about 363 pips. Okay, this is amazing trade. And then it will drop up to here. At least it will give me about 480 pips. I also expected that my target is there about $80. So within this month this will give me about 800 pips, I believe. So you all don't trade at this area here. If the market retrace about there, this market might be going up to there to retrace, or if that is done retrace, then it will come down straight away here, and then it will come down around this area here. Sorry, let me explain you a little bit. It will come down here, around here, and then the market will go up to there again, and from there this market might drop, might go down to hit my take profit. Okay, so this is the GBP Japanese yen for the monthly analysis. So you all should trade once the market going up to this, at least this level here, okay, or this level around here. Don't trade here because it might still drop. There is no guarantee at the market. What we expect, it only assumption, and then if that is correct, then we say, wow, this was amazing trade. Okay, this is the true for all traders. So forex is risky, trade by your own risk. And then how about GBP New Zealand? GBP New Zealand has also, it has an executed my trade, very good entry. You see, it just went up by about 50 pips, and then it went down by $285, 285 pips. Okay, I don't know how many traders can make that kind of execution. Okay, I believe this market will drop down about 544 pips. Okay, so this is amazing too. You all can still trade because this just broken down the range. Okay, I believe this will continue going down. If this broken through is not false, then it will continue go down. If this is false, then it will back up from there. Okay, so keep on monitor. If you have any chance, you just can have trade. But this was the very good entry. What I did is very good entry. So I don't afraid of if the market going up or going down. If going down, then it will give me trade. If this going up, maybe it will back up from there and then go down again. This is why I don't afraid of trade, because of the good entry of my position, because of my position is very good. So I don't afraid of the trade. I don't have the fear on my trade. And if you don't fear, you will definitely win. How about Euro Japanese yen? Okay, this is amazingly, you see, all my trade is just executed, and this is the best one. I think just went up by 20 pips, and it has just provided me 181 pips. I still holding the trade. I'm expecting that the market will still drop by another 240 or 250 pips more. Maybe around here I will get out of the market, or let me just adjust the take profit to there, because this market will going at least drop up to there, and then I will hit the trade. It will give me about $40. So 400 pips I expect from this Euro Japanese yen. How about the Aussie Japanese yen? Yeah, this isn't dropped too much, but yeah, that was the amazing trade. You see, just executed my trade, and then is given me 173 pips right away. Okay, it didn't go up that much. What an amazing trade is this. I don't know how many trader can make it. Okay, such a amazing price action area. Okay, I made it, and then you see, because of this because of there is a overall downtrend, and this was the targeted price that the market was trying to target. Okay, and then I understood it that this market might be targeting this price here or here, and then I just traded at this pivot point, around this pivot point here, and then the market started going down from there, 174 pips. Okay, so this was just a retracement of this. You will understand that this one, this here to there was the retracement of here to here. I show you. Okay, let me show you. You see the 61.8%, and then exactly from the golden ratio of the Fibonacci, and then it's when it started going down. What a amazing the Fibonacci tools is. Okay, I don't know how many of you are using the Fibonacci, but this is amazingly working. Okay, so you must take care of your trade and take care of your tools to use properly, and don't just blindly enter into the trade and then start analyzing. Analyze before you trade. So AUD Japanese yen, what happened to this one? This is our Japanese yen. SGD Japanese yen is still the same. As you can see, there was the floppy market. Last week I wasn't able to get out of the market because of the market was too floppy. You see, market was too floppy, and it just went going up and down and run into a range. And now, at just 2 days ago or 1 day ago, just started running the market down, and it will broken through this level here, this range. I believe it will broken through this range here, because you see the market has created and prevented this price. Now it will test this level and penetrate the level down, and then might be hit my trade there because of the another one more support over there. So I just push it up over there, so it might be hit by give me another 410 pips. Okay, so I still expect SGD Japanese will drop by 410 pips total. New Zealand Japanese also I believe is the same. Euro AUD is still 80 pips given, 60 pips given, 60 pips here, 50 pips here, 50 pips here, 30 pips here, and I believe this started from here will be giving me profit. For GBP USD and New Zealand USD, I had made a very bad mistake here. I didn't get out of the trade, and I expected that the market will collapse, but it didn't collapse. It went up against me. I still believe either this month or next month it will come down, so I'm not getting out of the trade. Okay, so this was the overall monthly analysis. Okay, market condition, trading condition of mine. You might have watched it and see what is happened, where exactly the market price should be. Okay, before you started, before you do the execution, the market actually, the problem is you are losing trade because of your entry level isn't good enough. Okay, so the price action and your entry level should be the perfect, so that you wouldn't have any fear in the trade, and you will profit from the trade. You will definitely profit it because you are confident enough of your trade. Okay, so that's all about today, and we'll see you in the next video very soon. Till now, happy trading, guys. Bye bye.